So Google has just released Gemini 3.5 and is capable of doing some very interesting things. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you around 3, maybe 4 different ways that you can utilize the new model of Gemini to help you if you're someone that's looking to build some sort of a one-person business. A business where you don't need employees, a business where you can run it anywhere around the world using just yourself and artificial intelligence. Even if you're someone that's not interested in running a business, this video is still going to be valuable. Whether you're working a 9-to-5 job, maybe you're using AI for personal projects, you're going to get a lot of information as to how you can tap into the full potential of Google Gemini. So I'm going to jump straight into one of the first ways that you can use it and one of the first updates that they've made, which is to the Canvas mode. If you're a returning viewer of this channel, you would already know that I personally like to use Gemini's Canvas mode to help me when I'm looking to build a custom step-by-step blueprint. I personally believe that if you're looking to do anything in this day and age, and it's something that you've never done before, it's always good to use AI to assist you so that you're able to make the process that much more smoother. And to give you full context as to what I'm talking about, the demonstration that I'm going to be using in today's video to show you the update that has been made to the Gemini interface and the Canvas mode is going to be if I was considering to build some sort of a digital planner store. And when I say a digital planner store, the website on the screen right now is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. They've got different digital planners suited for different reasons, and stores like this are bringing in a decent amount of income. Because if I was to copy the URL of the store and then go into Digital Maker AI and then click on the competitor analyzer, paste the URL in there just like that, it's going to come back with the estimated traffic, the amount of products they've got listed, as well as the estimated monthly revenue. And I'm sure just by looking at this data, you can see why this is a potential store that might be worth replicating. But now that you got the idea as to what I'm trying to do, Gemini is going to be able to help me with this in a number of different ways. But first way being with the custom blueprint that's going to guide me as to how I can build this out. So what you need to do first and foremost, if you're following what I'm doing, is that you need to prompt Gemini in the right way. So to get that prompt, we're just going to go back over to Digital Maker AI. And by the way, guys, if you don't already have a Digital Maker AI account, I'm going to leave a direct link down below. You can sign up for completely free and you can do exactly what I'm about to do right now for completely free as well. All you need to do is click that link and then click on Get Started. And then you can use either your Gmail to log in or your regular email address. But once you've logged in, it's going to show you a similar page to this where you can see all of these different AI tools that you can build custom prompts for. So we've got ChatGPT, we've got Claude, we've got Notebook LM, but of course in today's video, the one that we're working with is Gemini. So I'm just going to select it. It's then going to ask me what type of product am I looking to make. So we've got things like spreadsheets, digital journals, we've got audio guides, video courses, Notion templates, but I want to focus on digital planner. So I'm just going to click it like that and then click on next. The next question is, who is this planner for? So in this case, I'm going to build a digital planner store suited for small business owners. Let's go with that. What type of planner do I want to make? I'm going to go with one that's going to be dated 2026. Which section should be included in the planner? Let's go with goals and vision, maybe gratitude, habit tracker, and finance tracker. Let's go with these ones. What color do I want it to be? I'm going to go with blue. Do I want it to be landscape or portrait? Let's go with landscape. And what do I want to call this? I'm just going to call it 2026 Small Business Digital Planner. That's what I'm going to call it. Let's go with that. Where do I want to sell it? So we've got all of these different options, but I would recommend to focus on maybe building your own website in this case, because I'm using the example that I showed you at the start of this video. Click on next. How do I want to drive traffic to this planner? All of these different options are great. You know, we've got things like meta ads, which is what I'm using right now for the different digital products that I'm building up. We've got email marketing, which is something that I also do. Instagram Reels, something that I recommend, but I'm going to go with faceless YouTube channel today. Bear in mind that all of this is just an example. And there we go, guys. It's now come back with the custom prompt. And just to kind of give you guys a quick understanding as to what I'm doing right now, if you're confused, I'm using Digital Maker AI to give me a custom prompt that I'm now going to paste into the new version of Gemini so that it can create the step-by-step plan. And it's also going to give me a preview of exactly what this digital product is going to look like and how it's going to function. This is something that you couldn't do with Gemini before, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. So I'm just going to copy the full prompt just like that. I'm going to go back over to Gemini. I'm going to paste everything in there just like this. Then what I'm going to do is click on the plus icon. go over here to where it says Canvas. So I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to make sure that I've got 3.5 flash selected. So that's perfect. And then I'm just going to click on submit. And what you should then see is something similar to the screen that I've got right now, where it's going to start building this out. It's going to start coding it. It's going to look at exactly what the prompt says, and it's going to come back with something that's going to hopefully help me out. So I'm going to give this a few minutes. It should take no more than 3 minutes for it to complete. But as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back ASAP and I'm going to show you the results. And there we go, guys. Just like that, as you can see, this is the custom step-by-step blueprint that it was able to build for me. So this is going to be really helpful in so many different ways. Let me show you why. On the dashboard, we've got the live revenue estimator. So if I was looking to maybe list this for around 27 and I was hoping to get around 500 daily visits at a 2% conversion rate, this is what I can expect back from just one single digital product. It's also going to give me a 90-day launch strategy, things that I can tick off as I'm going along, the marketing copy for me to generate the sales, pricing ideas and how I can bundle this with other digital products, the traffic strategy as well for the faceless YouTube channel. I'm sure that you guys can see how helpful this is, but if you're a returning viewer on this channel, you would already know exactly how beneficial this custom prompt is and how you can use it to your advantage. But the main upgrade that has happened is in the second tab over here, which is the planner preview. Because if I click into it, what you're now able to do is get a visual representation, a real life simulation as to how the digital product is going to function and how it's going to look. To be honest with you guys, I'm actually blown away that Gemini is able to do this. The way that they're improving the canvas mode is truly amazing, because with this, you can get an idea as to how the product is going to look before you now move on and start building it. Because if I just click on Open Planner right there, it's going to allow me to click through everything. So I can click through the goals and vision. I can click on the year. I can click into all of the different months. So this is going to help you out when it comes to getting a visual representation so that you can make any changes to it before you move forward and start building it. So yeah, that's the initial update that they have made to Gemini. And of course, if I wanted to build out this product, for those of you that don't know, I could go back over to Digital Maker AI, click on Product Maker. And in here, I've got all of these different options to either build a spreadsheet using AI, an ebook, or the digital planner. So all I need to do is just select it, go through all of the questions, and then it's then going to come back with a fully functional digital planner that I can list on my site straight away. And by the way, for those of you that don't know, before I move on to one of the next updates that has been made to Gemini, if you did want to build a website, the way that you could do that is to use the website maker. So it's going to ask you, what do you sell? All you need to do is select a product. In this case, it's going to be a digital planner. It's going to ask you who is your audience. So I'm just going to put in people that want to improve their productivity. The color scheme, I'm going to go with blue so that it matches the digital planner that we just built. It's then going to ask you to activate your 90-day Shopify trial. And the reason why this is perfect is because you can use Shopify unlimitedly within that time. There's not going to be any restrictions, and it's only going to cost you $1. And the benefit of doing this is that you can get a custom website that you don't need to pay for. Ideally, or normally, you would pay a certain amount for you to get that custom store, but you're going to get it for completely free. And you're also going to gain access to Shopify for just $1. So all you need to do is complete that, select that you want to move forward with the basic plan. And then as you can see, it's now going to give you your custom Shopify website. So as you can see, I've already done this. I've got the digital planner available right here. Everything is ready to go. And all of this was done with the help of Gemini, of course, with other AI tools and Digital Maker AI. But now that I've got my digital product made and I've got the website built, this brings me on to one of the next upgrades that Google has made, generally speaking, to one of their AI tools, which is with Pomelli. Now, Pomelli is an AI tool that I don't really see spoken about a lot, and it's able to do some really impressive things, and there's been some new upgrades that's been made to it. So I'm going to walk you through how it works. You are going to need a website for you to take full advantage of this. So what I'm going to do is just click on Let's Get Started. And what you're then going to need to do is just enter your store URL. So I'm just going to paste it in there like this, click on Continue. And what Pomelli is going to do, and by the way, it's powered by Google Gemini. It's going to analyze my website. It's going to look at the color scheme. It's going to look at the branding. It's going to look at the different images. And the whole purpose of this is that it's going to generate a business DNA so that it can help me to generate things like campaigns, different animations, different images, different social media posts. But stick around because you're going to be blown away by what it's capable of doing. So it's scanning my website right there, the site that you just saw me build. And then from there, what it's going to do is take you to a page like this. So what I'm going to do is generate a photo shoot. So I'm just going to click on photo shoot on the left hand side, and I'm going to select this option. And for the product image, I'm just going to click into it. It's automatically got the product image that is on my website. So I'm just going to select it and then click on generate photo shoot. And right there, as we can see, it's now generating these 3 different images. So it's not going to take too long. This is what it's come back with. Come back with something similar to the profile or the main product image on my site right now, but it's also come back with these 2 unique images. So we can see that it's naturally placed the digital planner in these 2 different scenes, which is quite good because I can now use this in my social media in some way, shape or form. But if I wanted to turn these images into some sort of campaign, I could just click on campaign on the left hand side. We can see that the different images have already been added to the prompt box over there. I can select the format. I'm going to leave it on story 916 and then click on enter. And we can see that it's now generating the campaign brief. So with this, it's going to come back with similar images to the ones I just showed you, but it's going to have text on it. It's going to be centered around the main objective of what the campaign is about. And the reason why this is helpful is because you don't have to think about what text is going to go on your images for your campaign. And you don't have to put the text on the image yourself. All of this is going to be done using Google Gemini. But here we go, guys. It's now come back with the edited images, as you can see on the screen. So what you can see, I didn't need to edit it in any way. It done exactly what I told it to do in terms of the campaign brief. So it looks pretty good, pretty decent. I'm sure that you guys can agree. And with Pomelli, you're able to take it one step further and also use it to turn a static image into some sort of animation. So let's use this one over here as an example. I'm just going to click on animate and let it do its thing. And right there, as we can see, it's now come back with this video. So what I'm going to do is just click on play. Let's see exactly how it looks. So right there, we can see that the woman is essentially scrolling through the iPad and it does look realistic. I'm not saying that it's 100% perfect, but it's a good start. And it's also an improvement in terms of what Pomelli was able to do just a few months back. So yeah, those are some of the things that you can do. These are some of the graphics that you're able to make with Pomelli. You're also able to generate a website as well. This is something that's completely new. If I just click on website on the left hand side, this is the type of website that it's been able to build for me. So it's taken the images that we just generated with it, and it's also taken the image from my existing website. So this is something that, you know, looks good. It's pretty decent. I would still recommend using the website maker in Digital Maker AI because with Shopify, you have so much flexibility and so many different ways to customize it using the apps in the Shopify App Store. But nevertheless, I wanted to show you this so that you have different options that you may want to choose from. But this now brings me on to one of the next updates that Google has made to Gemini, which is with Gemini Omni. So this is an AI tool that's taken over the AI space recently because of what it's capable of doing. And for those of you that have never heard of it, you're not really sure of exactly what it does or how you can benefit from it. Essentially, it's an AI video generator, but it's a little bit more than that because it can also help you sell your digital products in a couple of different ways. One of the first ways is the fact that you can create a customized character. All you would need to do is describe exactly what you want your character to look like. It's then going to come back with an image. And with that image of that character, you can now turn them into a talking avatar where you can do everything directly within Omni. So imagine it, you can basically use Omni, add a image of the product that you're selling, and the image of the product is going to be naturally included in the video so that you can use these different AI videos as promotional tools. But enough with the talking. If you want to gain access to Gemini Omni, what you're going to do is go over to the URL deepmind.google. It's going to show you something similar to this. Now, because Omni is new, it's going to be featured at the top, but if you don't see it here, you could just click into models, and this is where you're going to see all of the latest AI models from Google. So right here we can see Gemini Omni, so I'm just going to click into it and I'm going to use it in Gemini Flow. And once you've logged into your account, this is going to be a similar page that you're going to see. So one of the first things that I want to show you is how you can develop your own character. This is a very simple process. All you got to do is click on characters on the left hand side. And the way that the character is going to be created is going to be with Nano Banana 2. So you can either use Nano Banana 2 or Pro. So if I was to select that, I can now enter the information about what I want my character to look like. So for example, I may want to type in something like, I want him to look African American. I want him to be of a certain age, certain style. I can give all of these specifications in this prompt box. Click on enter and it's going to come back with some different designs. If I want to make any changes to it, I can simply do that by entering in the prompt box what type of changes or revisions I want to make. You've also got the option to add a voice as well. There's a few different voices in the library, but if you wanted to make your own voice based on certain factors, you can also select the different factors in this section over here, include exactly how you want it to sound, and it's going to come back with a voice that you can use. At the moment, I don't believe that Gemini Omni allows you to upload your own voice sample for you to use that. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. Just be sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell notification so that you can keep updated with any change within the AI world. But as you guys can see over here, this is an example character that I was able to build. So as I mentioned before, it's going to come back as a static image, but with this image, I can now use him in whatever video that I want so that he can promote whatever product that I want or just say anything generally speaking. So what I'm going to do now is show you how I would turn this image into a video that I can actually use. And bear in mind, I'm going to be using this product in the actual video. So I'm going to get the image of it by simply taking a screenshot. Let's just do it like that. And then what I'm going to do is drag the screenshot in there as an ingredient. And all I now need to do is add the actual image of the guy into the prompt. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm just going to say exactly what I want to make, how I want the video to look. So let me just type out the prompt right now. So what I'm going to say is make a video of this guy in a home office speaking about the benefits of planning your day with the digital planner that's attached. Ensure that it has a promotional and educational tone. So I would recommend to be a lot more descriptive than this when you're doing your own video, but I'm only showing you this as an example just so that you know how Gemini Omni works. So over here, you've got the option to do it as landscape or vertical. You can also generate up to 4 different videos at the same time, and you've got different options when it comes to the different models that you can use. So I'm going to be using Omni Flash, and you can also pick and choose how long you want it to be, either 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, or 10 seconds. So I'm going to go with 10 seconds and I'm going to leave the rest of the filters the same. And then I'm going to click on enter. Okay guys, so right there, as you guys can see, within about 30 seconds, it's come back with this fully edited video. So that's the good thing about Gemini Omni, to be honest, in comparison to a lot of other AI video makers that are out there, is that it works super quick. So what I'm going to do is just play a quick snippet of it, or I'll probably play the whole thing because it's only about 10 seconds, just so that you can see what type of video it was able to come back with.
As a small business owner, staying organized is everything. This digital planner keeps my schedule, goals, and projects all in one place. It has completely changed the way I manage my day.
So guys, there you have it. That was the video that it was able to come back with. I'm sure that you're blown away by the quality that it's able to produce. So for the most part, I would say that the video is pretty decent, but the main issue that I personally noticed is that there's a watermark in the bottom corner. You guys can clearly see it too. This is something that can be edited out when you're actually using the video in whatever editing software you use. But whatever the case is, these different AI videos can still be used in a number of different use cases, whether you want to use them yourself on your own social media accounts, e.g. Instagram, TikTok, maybe you want to use them for a client. It's going to be down to you to find a unique way that you can apply them to your own situation. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where in this video, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time explaining how you can use the latest model of Gemini to help you monetize a digital product store. There's a cool way that you can actually use Gemini that not that many people know of, and I've not really seen anyone on YouTube talking about. I'm going to leave that video on the screen right there. Be sure to click that, watch that straight after this, because that video has already helped out so many people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it can also help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.